Hey guys, appreciate you guys watching the videos. Again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit that little bell so you can get notifications on YouTube. And of course, if you can watch these videos on Edpuzzle, it does log the time you've watched them, so always keep that in mind. Anyhow, this video should be short. Remember, we do have midterm, I guess, an exam for the 4 weeks we've been in school, this second 9 weeks. So I'm going to just give you material. This should be short material that you want to find in your notes so you can come prepared tomorrow so we can do as much of a review as possible. With that said, here's the last problem we did not get to yesterday, which continues from the video from yesterday, okay? So anyways, with this one, all you want to do, and let's keep it simple, I did promise that, is you want to set up the skeleton we've been using regularly and simply do this. Insert, okay, the 2 zeros that they give you. Done. Okay? Now beyond that, you can go ahead and FOIL that, right? X times x, x squared. X times a plus 2 is 2x. Negative 8 times x is, okay, and negative 8, remember this is a negative, a minus negative, so that's a plus. So then we get a minus 16, and ultimately, okay, we have minus 6x minus 16, and here is my quadratic, okay, in standard form with these zeros. Alright, the rest of this, I'm going to go fast, but remember, you can always pause the video. Here's a couple of questions that you really want to refresh from our recent material. Okay, the minimum or maximum, which we covered today. You want to have the notes on domain and range. You want to find the roots of this equation. We looked at this problem. And consider the function such and such. Determine, this one's going to be very important. These three are going to be important. So you do want to know how, you want to be able to determine if it opens upward or downward, axis, symmetry, vertex, y-intercept, graph the function. So you definitely want to find those notes so you can utilize them. Remember, this one says consider a function, and it could be almost any function, so heck, it could be this one, but I'll just come up with something generic like negative 5x squared plus 10x minus 15. Okay, look for these notes so you can transfer them over to tomorrow's class, and we can apply them as a review. Beyond that, some of the stuff that went even further back are problems like this one, okay, which, hint hint, involves matrices. So we did problems like this. Go and look for those notes, bring them with you tomorrow. Okay, addition of matrices, algebra, performing algebra with matrices, some of these characteristics, properties of matrices. Okay, all this is stuff that you want to find in your notes, bring tomorrow so we can look at them in detail. Okay, the product of matrices, evaluating the square of a matrix, if possible, right? Investigate that in your notes. Hey, when is it possible, when is it not? I remember that discussion. The determinant, okay, we looked at that as well. Write the augmented matrix. Okay, kind of intimidating. We covered these. They're actually not that bad. So find those notes and review as much as possible so that tomorrow you can come prepared. That's it, guys. It's under 4 minutes. First time ever. I do want to appreciate you guys watching these videos. Again, find these problems, review them. Heck, I've proposed some problems on here. Hint, hint. Try them out. Okay, they should look very familiar tomorrow. Okay, see ya.